Welcome to Goldbachen's Quality Tips. Does your window sound like this? When you open it, or when you close it? This sound could be caused by a few different issues. You might have a worn-out window regulator or a misaligned window. Other causes could be that there's dirt between the rubber and the window glass, or the window run has been worn down. The easiest way to find out what's wrong is to stop by a qualified mechanic. Once confirmed, you can get the replacement part from one of our many Goldbachen stores nationwide. If left unattended, the squealing could get worse, and depending on the cause of the sound, you could even end up with a more costly fix later on. So visit your nearest Goldbachen today to get the best quality parts for your vehicle's window.